Hey y'all, I got a little hungry and I just wanted me a quick snack. Nothing big because I'm gonna eat later on. I got a hair appointment at 3 o'clock today. Ooh, child, how you open this thing? Oh, there we go. This is the sardines with the Louisiana hot sauce in there. Even though I got on deck, I love Louisiana. Let me see. Ooh. Y'all like sardines? See? There we go. And crackers. I didn't have any saltines. So the Ritz crackers is gonna have to do. I forgot I had these. I was hungry. And my husband, he said, "You want to go and get something to eat?" And I said, "No, because I got to get my hair done. And I don't want to." There we go. Oh, let me put a little hot sauce on there. I ain't want to be all full and then you ain't gonna feel like going nowhere. And I know I'm gonna be there for a good 3 hours. Okay. So I said, you know what? I got some sardines in the pantry. I forgot all about them. It turned real ugly outside, y'all. It's so gray and damn, it been raining all morning. Not pouring down, but just that drizzle. Mm, that's good. Got me some water. Mm, mm. Ooh. Okay, y'all can see it. Yeah, I might have to get some more of these when I go to the store because this come in handy when you're hungry and don't really want nothing heavy or you don't feel like cooking. I'm gonna try to grill tomorrow for Father's Day. Mm. I had on a light color top earlier, and this is why I took it off because I knew. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna try to grill. I'm gonna take that. We got tomahawk steak. I'm gonna see if he want to eat that tomorrow. Cause he got work Sunday, or maybe I can grill Monday. No, cause then he got to come home and go to sleep. I'll do it tomorrow. And I'll be getting up early anyway, so I have plenty of time to rest up and get that grill cranked up. He bought me a new grill too, y'all. He been out there all morning, fixing up their yard. I had got him a chainsaw. This is a mini little handheld chainsaw. It's real nice and compact, and that thing got a whole lot of power. And he been out there chopping down everything. It's gonna be a minute before the yard get ready. ready to be on video. Because if I go out there now, y'all will talk about me. Y'all done got full. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat that other can. I'm going to put 2 on there. I ain't going to be able to eat that other can. I'm going to say that. Because my little belly getting full. One bite. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I don't know why I put the top back on here. Probably because I'm so clumsy and I'd have been knocked it over. Oh, 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 excuse me, that's good. Mm. Mm. It is in a lot of hot sauce. I didn't have to bring that hot sauce out here. It is swimming in hot sauce. That's a good bite. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. That's it for me. Mm. Woo. And the hot sauce ain't even that hot no more. Have y'all noticed that? Louisiana, anyway. All right, y'all. Bye.